How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a big forehead without surgery step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So I had a buddy with this. My buddy's forehead was massive. Like it was really, really big. And of course, some people did make fun of him, and he did have a little bit of confidence issues. So he did make some steps eventually. It actually took him a little bit of time to do this, but now he is probably the most popular person that I know. So if you walk into a room, he is probably the most popular person in that room. And yes, he has a very, very easy way of getting girls, if you will, getting easy relationships, stuff like that. Like he's very good at talking to people, getting friends, very, very social. And if you compare him to, say, 5 years ago when he had like the big forehead and zero confidence, you would have no idea that was him. Like it was a complete 180, like a complete 180. So I'm going to tell you guys what he did and something that you guys can do to get rid of the big forehead. Now, the first thing that I'm going to say, and it's something that he also said, is that physically you can't shrink your forehead. Like there's nothing that you can do that's going to make the forehead smaller, but there are things that we can do that'll make it appear way smaller. So the worst thing that he did, and something that he did for the longest time, is he had a very short haircut. If you guys notice when I'm making videos and I just get a haircut, my hair is probably like here, it's spiked. The sides are very, very short. It's actually 0 on the side, and I have a very, very short haircut. My friend who had the big forehead, his hair was actually shorter than mine. So he had a super short haircut. What he did is he started growing his hair out. His hair now goes right below his eyebrows, about right here. It covers this whole forehead. Another thing that he does is when he is in public, any public place that he goes to, he wears a hat every single time. Those are the two biggest things that he did. If you're walking or if you're looking at him from across the room, you cannot tell he has a big forehead. Just from those two things that he has done, you cannot tell at all. The third thing that he did, and this is something that I actually helped him with, is he started working out and started adding muscle. And his body is actually really, really good. Like he is pretty ripped, big biceps, big shoulders, and like, if you looked at him before, no confidence, really, really short hair, and he had no muscle to him, again, a complete 180. And now his confidence level is extremely high, like super, super high. Not arrogant, but like very, very high. Like he's very confident in himself, and it actually landed him a really high paying job as well. Again, his job before, he was stocking shelves, like he wasn't making very much money. So again, he completely turned around his life just by, again, growing his hair really long, 2, wearing a hat, and 3, started working out. That's all he did, and that helped him to get rid of that big forehead. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.